Hi everyone and welcome back. This video explains how to install .NET 10 on your Ubuntu machine. So .NET 10 is still not available in a built-in Ubuntu feed or in backports. However, you can use a scripted install yourself, and in a way it's even better because first, you don't need to wait for the official feeds, and second, you don't need administrator privileges to do that. The installation process is actually really simple. First, you download the install script anywhere you like. I do it in my home folder. Then give it execution privileges. After that, just run the script with version latest argument, which defaults to the latest LTS version of the .NET SDK, which at the moment of this video and for at least a couple more years will be .NET 10. The script downloads the .NET SDK archive and unpacks it in your home folder under .NET. However, you won't be able to run it yet. To run it, open your bash rc, export .NET root variable, which should be home.net, add both .NET root and .NET root/tools folders to your path, then source your bash rc, and hopefully it will just work. Type in .NET, response with .NET message, so we are good to go. When I type .NET list SDKs, just to do a sanity check, you can see that .NET 10 is installed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!